Yo dudes, this is Logan at Riskless Review, where I test products you don't have to. So today we're going to take a look at a BTS unboxing. Let's get to it. All right, so today we've got the BTS B Essential Edition. You can see it's got the cool sticker saying that they're now Grammy Award nominee, and Dynamite and Life Goes On are both Billboard 100 #1 singles. Very cool. So this one's quite a bit different. You can see it's kind of open on both ends, so you can just kind of slide it through. It looks like this opens, but it really doesn't. So let's kind of push it through, see what we got going on. So we got a book. So the disc comes on its own little platform. It's just totally plain. It's got some embossed lyrics there. Let's check this out. Just simple and standard on this one. The White Album version. Yeah, let's see, we got a folded poster that comes with it. So let's see what we have going on here. Oh, very nice. It's the picture where they're with all the instruments, which I love because I'm a big instrument fan. Collect everything I can find. So that's a cool picture to have as the fold-out poster. Nothing on the back. All right, let's take a look at the book. So last time the poster had the lyrics and it had, little notes and things. So it's not on the poster anymore, so they must have put it into the book. The above in the music jam room, that's cool. Oh, those are fun ones. I like the shape and the colors. J-Hope's room. J-Hope. Yeah, so these are really nice quality. The paper is kind of like a matte paper. But they're really clear photos. Looks really nice. Very high quality. I like this look that they do for the rooms. That's a really cool way of doing it. Wonder if this is setting up for their new BTS Viewmaster. I think that's what they're called. With the little film negatives that you push the button and turn them from the 80s that I used to love to play with as a kid. It's kind of shaped like that for those. I'm excited to see. Also excited to see tonight we have BTS MTV Unplugged. So exciting BTS day. Get the new version of this album, the Essential Edition here, and get to see the MTV Unplugged. I liked how Jin asked for a room full of gems. It's very Jin. He's our prince, right? Jungkook in the speaker room. Yeah, I really like how they do this. Looks cool. It's cool that they're all different photos too. They're not just the same photo duplicated. Like the dark look. Cool theme. Those are cool pajamas too. They look silk or something. Yeah, these are really high quality. It's a really nice book. Oh, Jimin in the flower garden. Or the bouquet fest. Looks very cool. Got the old school camera. Yeah, that looks pretty cool. Just a room full of flowers. It's fun. And we got RM. This peaceful, simple room. Ooh, we got a jackpot here. All right, we'll take a pause right here on this RM. Good spot to pause. We got a Jin. And B. Got RM. Got Suga. Got Jungkook. Got Jimin. J-Hope. V. And we got Jin. Alright, so that was fun. Go back to where we were. Alright, RM in his room of orange. I like the colors. He's wearing that brown flannel. He always likes the woods, natural tones. Suga in his room of blue. That's cool. Cool theme. Got the trips on the couch. Yeah, I like the look of blue. It looks neat. Blue and white. Then we got V rocking the violins and kind of old school look. It's cool. Patchwork pants. Those look kind of neat. Then the whole group eating. All right, just like the other one. Yeah, now we get them kind of doing their daily lives type stuff. Hanging out, looking in the mirror. Taking funny pictures with the old camera. Mirror selfie. Jungkook. JK. Yeah, I like the speakers in those pajamas. That's a cool one, Jungkook. Jimin showing a little shoulder action there. RM. Having fun with the mirrors. Suga. Well, that's a cool one. Stepping on the... Probably had a light foot on that. Stepping on that mirror. Looks cool though. It's worth it. And we got V doing his thing. Rolling up his sleeve. That's the poster picture. Maybe slightly different faces, but that's the poster picture right there. And then you got, the track list. Okay, yeah, then as expected, then they do kind of the lyrics and credits. Now in book form. So it's pretty cool. It's pretty cool. I thought the poster was pretty neat to have lyrics so people can hang the lyrics on their wall. But I also always like it in book form as well. That way you get to kind of see all the credits. Because you can see, like, right here, right? Recording engineers, J-Hope, RM, Suga, P-Dog, they were all working on the rap arrangements and all working on it together. So it's a little more detailed on the credits and things. I always like that. Stay. Got Jungkook. RM doing some recording engineering too. Pretty awesome. And Dynamite. David Stewart. Pretty much on everything. Thanks to the band. And they've got all their who they're thankful to. Can't read these, but maybe you can. Their thanks are a little shorter this time. Jungkook's usually, as usual, a little longer than the others. And then we got the final credits. Cool. Yeah, the Essential Edition, this is good. It's, as they say, it's the Essential Edition. You get a card of every member, which is cool. You get the lyrics, the photo book, a poster, the disc. So, you know, if you're strapped for cash, this is a great option. I think the deluxe is obviously a little more fun because they spent so much time putting things they want included and kind of had their own flair to it with the poster that had the lyrics and things. So, you know, I really like both. But yeah, if you're looking to save money, this gets you pretty much everything you need anyway. Get to see all the pictures. Well, not all of them, but you get to see most of the pictures, get the idea of it all. And yeah, it's a great album. Really great that they were such a big part of this, and it was an unexpected album. They would have been touring during this time. But instead, they got 2 #1 Hot 100 Billboard hits and nominated for the Grammys. So, you know, pretty great year for BTS. Let's hope for a better year. And don't forget to watch the MTV Unplugged. Excited for that tonight. All right. Talk to you soon.